guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a purple it's a purple makeup look. I was just inspired by the color purple, so I decided to do a purple look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to prime my eyes with C13 from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to take a dry beauty blender. I know it's a big no-no in the makeup community, but this is so that I can make sure that the concealer is very opaque and it covers every single part of my eye. So we're gonna go into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm so sad that they discontinued this palette because it's a pretty good palette, but there are a few colors that just don't work, but you can make them work somehow. So we're gonna go into the shade right here, and we're gonna just pack this into and above the crease slightly, just like that. And we're gonna build this up until we get the intensity that we want. I'm just gonna bring it to the outer V, or the outer corner, just so there's no like super harsh lines. And you can kind of slightly blend just a little bit with the same brush. But to blend out the upper part, we're gonna go into this really light lavender shade, and we're just gonna use that. First we're gonna pack it on a bit, and then we're gonna blend. So as you can see, it is blended out now. So I'm gonna take this M518 brush, and then we're gonna go into this blue color right here and this one right here. And we're gonna put this into the crease and like slowly build up the intensity and blend as we go. We're gonna go back into that first purple that we used in the crease and just blend it out, or just intensify it a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take my blending brush and blend. Now I'm gonna go into just this blue color and put that in the crease. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go into this dark blue color right here and put this in the crease as well. Just focusing it in the crease, don't put it above the crease. So now that it looks like my eye is kind of bruised, we're gonna cut our crease, and we're gonna go back into the C13 shade, and I'm gonna use this Morphe M21 brush. Since I kind of messed up, I'm just going to go into this dark purple color and just pack it. So for our lids, we're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we're going to use the shades Royalty and Twerk. So first we're going to go into Royalty, which is this purple color right here, and Twerk is right next to it. I only go about a third of the way because we're going to use the second color. And then for the rest of the eye, we're going to go into Twerk, which is that royal blue kind of color. And kind of blend the two as you're going, just to make your life easier. So we're going to take this R39 brush and first go into this deep, like almost navy color. It's a purple though, and we're gonna go to our outer V, and then we're gonna put that in the crease as well to hide any mistakes. We're gonna add a glitter line to make the look a little bit more extra. This is so hard to show on camera. we're gonna add a winged liner. I'm terrible at these, so forgive me if they're not even. I'm just using the Kohl Art of Lining brush tip eyeliner in black. So I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera and then I'll be right back so we can work on the under eyes. So for our under eyes, we're gonna use 2 of the purple shades. We're mainly gonna use this one right here. And I'm just using this random e.l.f. smudge brush. And I'm just gonna put it under. I already tight lined my eyes, so and I don't want to show it because it's kind of gross to look at. Then we're gonna go into this darker color right here. I'm just gonna focus this on the outer part. Lashes that I use are Cocoa lashes in the style Goddess, which used to be my favorite for the longest time. I haven't worn them in a very long time. To highlight my inner corner, we're gonna use this color right here. I'm taking this M156 brush from Morphe. So I'm gonna use my prismatic amethyst from Becca and use my favorite brush, the M501 brush, to highlight. This is definitely going with the vibe of my eye makeup. So for lips, we're gonna go into this Tarteist lip paint in the color Wannabe. It's such a pretty color. This is the finished look. Give you a little bit of a slow-mo. So I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. We hit 255 subscribers. That is insane. Because in the last video, I was like, oh, I want to hit 250 by the end of the month. And we did. I'm so thankful for each one of you guys. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway in my next video. So definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave some comments down below. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.